Next up, Courier for Shadow Company Tier 2. In this, we need to take the laptop from the Hydroelectric dead drop, acquire a dirt bike, and deliver the same laptop to the Zaya Observatory, Ahkdar, and Sharim Pass dead drops within 3 minutes of the first delivery. Right, so first of all, I'd recommend finding yourself a dirt bike wherever on the map. They look like this. All we'll need to do is travel across there, grab it, and then we'll start at the first dead drop. Now that we have a dirt bike, we'll make our way over to the dead drop. All the way on the far south of it here, you'll find the gas station, and just behind it, the dead drop that we need to get the item from. So we'll open it and grab the Building 21 laptop. Now what we need to do is head across to 3 dead drops between the Zaya Observatory on the far east here, the Ahkdar village, and the Sharim Pass within 3 minutes of each other. So we'll head to the first one, which is all the way on the far east here. Now, the good thing about this mission is you don't need to start at the Zaya Observatory, you just need to go through between these dead drops, one after the other within 3 minutes, starting from the moment you close or put the laptop into the first bin. When you put it in, make sure not to close the bin, otherwise the item may be sent to the gulag and you'll no longer have it. Of course, if there's enemies in one location, start at the other ones, travel 1, 2, and then hopefully you'll get by the third location where you previously saw people without them noticing you first. That's what I did here. Because we need to do this quick. Okay, you ready? Go to the car. Okay. In and then out. Okay. Oh, 2 minutes 55. I mean, we could have. Right, no men, stop turning that way. I'm holding left as hard as I can. Right, the thing is in here somewhere. I've never seen this before, but it should be here. There it is. Okay. In and out. That should be number 2. I hope that counts. Otherwise, I'm finna be really sad. Don't you dare blow up this car. A platoon of operators, dog. There's 6 of them that we're driving into here. I swear, if they're all camping on top of this stupid tower here. Right, I gotta get to this one here. Bang, pat, done, let's go. Courier is complete. So thank you all for watching. Hopefully you found this video useful, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.